You've probably seen videos like this before. People are making thousands of dollars by uploading sticky animation videos. The good news is that there isn't much competition, so you can grow quickly and make more money. You can post these videos on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to earn money on all platforms today. I'll show you how to create these videos using AI. Let's get started first. We need a script. Sticky animation videos always share a message in a funny way. So we need to write a script that is both funny and meaningful. We need to use the same technique because it's working well. There are many ways to get a script, but some experts will tell you to use ChatGPT for a funny conversation. That's okay. But ChatGPT doesn't understand human feelings well and might give you a boring script with low views. Instead, try looking for funny stories on Quora, Pinterest, or Reddit. Let me show you how. Open your browser and search for what you want. For example, I'll type funny conversation between boy and girl, then add the platform name like Reddit, Quora, or Pinterest. You'll see many results. Click on one with high engagement. For instance, this one has over 216,000 views and over 11,000 upvotes. I'll copy this conversation and paste it into my Google Doc to make a few adjustments. Alright folks, now that we have our script, it's time to bring it to life with some voiceovers. You can use 11 Labs or Clipchamp if you want, but I'm going with DubDub because it has a ton of voices. And guess what? It's free. Check the video description and click on the DubDub link to get started. You'll land on a page like this one. Just sign up for a free account. If you haven't already, once you're done, you'll be redirected back to the same page. Easy peasy. Now we've got two characters in our script, a boy and a girl. We need different voices for each. Let's kick things off with the male voice. First, then we'll tackle the female voice. I'll copy the first line of the male character, then head back to DubDub, click on the AI voice over button and paste the text right there. Next, we'll click on more voices. As you can see, there are loads of voices to choose from. It's like a buffet of voices. Pick the one that tickles your fancy and click the confirm button. Let's give it a listen.
I lost something at the bookstore. Can you help me find it?
Sounds awesome, right? Let's download it by hitting the export button. Select MP3, hit export again, and voila, the voiceover is saved to your device. Pro tip, rename your audio files to keep things organized. Trust me, you'll thank me later now. Let's head back to our Google Doc and copy the second line for the boy. Return to DubDub and repeat the same steps to get all the voice lines for our male character. Once we're done with that, rinse and repeat for the female character. Easy. Right there, you have it. We've got our voiceovers ready to go. Let's keep the momentum going and make this video awesome. Alright, folks, the next step is generating our awesome characters. But hold up, if you're enjoying this, smash that like button to show some love for my hard work. Now to the video description. Click the Adobe Express link and sign up with your Google account. Easy peasy. Once you're in, you'll see this page on the left bar. Click the plus icon and click on quick actions in the search bar. Type animate and click on the animate from audio option. Here's where the fun begins. You'll see a bunch of characters, but we're here for our sticky guy. Pick your favorite one. You can even sort by category if you're feeling fancy. I'm going with the sticky guy. Next, choose the aspect ratio for your video. I'm going with 916 because we're making a short video for the background. You can upload your own or pick one from the options here. You can even make it transparent if that's your jam. Alright, once you found the perfect character, it's time to animate. You can record your own voice by clicking the record button, but we've already got our voiceovers ready. Click on browse and upload the audio for the male character. Let's play it and see.
I lost something at the bookstore. Can you help me find it?
Awesome, right? Next, click on this button. Select the video and on your left toolbar, scroll down and click the icon to flip it horizontally. It'll look more natural this way. To download, just click the download button. Keep it everything as it is. Hit download again and boom, it's saved to your device. Now just repeat this process for all the voiceovers. Stay with me for the final step. For this step, we're going to use CapCut, but feel free to use any video editor you like. Let's start a new project by clicking here. Next, click on modify, name your project something awesome and change the aspect ratio from original to 916. Now let's import all the video files, the ones we generated on Adobe Express. Next, we need to arrange them according to the script. I'll add the first video of the male character to the timeline by clicking the plus button, then add the first video of the female character. Easy peasy. Right now, let's repeat the same steps for the other videos. Good job. Now we need to add some funny sound effects to keep our viewers engaged. I'll leave some hilarious sound effects in the video description so you can check them out. Let's add some transitions. You can choose any transitions that fit the story music. Now let's add captions by clicking this tab here. Select your language and hit the button below. You can also add a cool zoom effect to the last part of the video if you like. Alright, let's export and see the final result.
I lost something at the bookstore. Can you help me find it?
What did you lose?
I opened the glass door and came into the store. I saw you wearing a traditional white dress. As you removed the hair from your face, I could see your eyes scanning through all the books. You were so graceful and...
Cadet, halt. What is it that you have lost?
Well, my heart.
Are you serious?
The last time my heart beat so fast. It was 4 years back in India. We're chasing 275 in the World Cup final.
Result is amazing. Guys, take your time and edit to make it even more engaging. Alright folks, don't just sit there and let this idea gather. Dion must remember, time waits for no one. Stay focused and start building your YouTube channel right now. Forget the naysayers, trust me. And like this video, subscribe our channel for more amazing videos. And if you want to know how people make noodles dancing video, click on the left one and click right side and watch the complete playlist of YouTube automation. You've got this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.